some of them people that would look like nomads way across this. And this is the people them from, wait, moving them again?
Consequences.
Consequences.
Yeah.
Walking to Elsha.
See the main
showing the
character of
sacrifice.
store.
And there's
I can't
Joe.
play football, but you know what I mean?
No.
You know what I mean? I can do other stuff.
Like what?
You know, my role is basically
Like charm tomorrow?
Yes.
Charlie, such a
Tomorrow.
pleasure.
Tomorrow.
And pretty flowers.
Look over here.
Yeah.
Oh, I need some money.
Yeah.
Half a video this. This half a video because then Shani saw your baggy colorful so.
I want to hear, come on.
Me hear it to you. Me think I want board on the step one. I did not know we had a lake in Portmore. Now this is a very big lake. Yeah, bomba clap. As me I say, it looks like we're going swimming. Who have them bad suit?
Hey, yo.
Reds! Where? And then they fling off. Yeah. Them are flinging in the water. I just fling them and flinging in the water.
Who are flinging in the water? What are they flinging in the water?
Them boy they up at this flinging in the water. YouTube.
Hey, yo. You see the range I'm going to follow?
Just going on the water. Nothing, I'm just looking at the water.
Yeah.
But they just see a crocodile just jump out there.
You fuck and grab me. Bumbo class. Dude, are you press the record button? Yes, it was recording all along.
Didn't even know.
Hope we're watching a dead by we reach. That would be tragic.
Exactly.
Where is Enriquez?
Sorry, alive.
Oh, here.
What Enriquez said before him left?
Him said, if him not come back, crocodile eat him. Why you go around there? They don't say.
So him said that for retrieving body parts from the crocodile?
No, you could never. You filming?
Yes, I am filming this historical moment.
We're on our way to the beach.
This is an adventure. I feel so white. Alright, the youth are just always a push the camera in their ears.
It's been a long time.
The man wants to dirty ears will pull up a beer was.
Yo, mind them fly.
Dead first.
Mind them fly out and bite you.
All the brown people them dead first.
Did you hear somebody say something?
Yeah, somebody said, what's in your ears?
So let's go.
Man, who said that?
I think we should run. Come in, man. Different road.
Zoom in on
I have to find one them dude. Dude, all the camera bad. Coming from the journey to
Plum tree, no.
Me frightened a while ago. The man them a come from the bush.
Oh, they're okay.
You find a crocodile?
They're fine.
No, we have to go to Hey, you remind me. I the man, Steve.
Some of them cutlass.
Remember.
All that you can use. Sir, don't lift some of them out. No, just want some of them. Put them in your pocket, bro. Yes, sir, can you cut? Yeah, put them in your pocket.
Did you look at me? Am I right, man?
I'm not picking up the old one. So when my foot dirty, show.
But you goat them hang on the tree. Especially Rasta one.
Dirty dread.
Hello, pick extra.
Dirty dread.
One next big one, there beside.
I don't want them shit sitting here.
Put them in your
I'll be a shit water going and plumb them. I'll be a shit water going and plumb. Yeah, out there, gang.
You want to?
I eat shit plum.
What's this plum?
shit water.
Me here, you know. But you want your back. If you don't come back, you want my back.
Of course, no must want my bag, yo. I want that, I want that. You don't hear that? You don't hear that?
You don't want to run.
You don't hear that?
You don't want to run.
I should have well ripe.
I just said, should I well right? Dun.
I shit water, give it the flavor.
Well, then taste away. Should have well
I
ripe.
shit water, give it the flavor.
I should have fit.
I chew them shitty. I shit water, yo.
I said shit water tastes nice. Then when you start them shit then.
If I always have to so weird, so weird. This morning, this morning he say use the roll-on buckle. No, he might go eat shit.
When you use him roll-on buckle,
you don't know, man?
the same thing there?
The same thing there.
The same thing they hear me? So what are the same thing there?
Him, this man, say him use the roll-on and never go eat doo-doo.
Brendan, want you? You sight them. Brendan, I think you should stop embarrassing me. Your heart, stop make your heart drop.
Nice shit place.
Nice shitty place. Baller. That's your back your hole, eh? Just I tell you. Bomba, I'm a bridge train.
Shit pan.
Where go?
Now we're reaching the beautiful river of Shittyville in Portmore.
That is promoted by shit.
That is promoted by shit industry. All the shitty promoters with the shitty foot.
Let's have a shit.
We're tired to shit. Shitty. I'm gonna pack up with shit and get the hell out of here.
Shitty place. Shit with that man. Hey, we don't ever get on the shit here. God, I'm shitting there.
Lolly.
No, you should have said cut the shit.
Promote the shit, man.
Got it. No, this is seriously.
Oh, this is like up, yo. I don't want the battery, you know.
Hey, see, on and off, but the right earn and back.
This?
Yeah, man.
No, that's a crocodile.
Show some over there.
Not pushing up in my head. Alright, somebody go in that water.
Guano?
Not show some over there.
There's anything on the suggest
Go in that water. Go in that water.
Guano?
You want move? Go in there.
You move, man, you move.
When the sun move by water, I see I move.
You never did this, so.
Fling something in that water.
Because when you do along, Christian nothing far. See there? It move.
You move.
Think
You
again.
go to it.
Combo.
Blood clot.
Think again.
Wow.
Big.
Look at that croc.
Come.
The crocodile for true.
No, me just you know when you watch them Facebook video, always the man with the camera crocodile grab.
But just one just for him now. But this one just appear just so.
Bombo, seen teeth there, seen teeth there, seen teeth there. Oh, who seen teeth? Move your hand from the camera now, boy. Wait there, shit. Seen there. Who seen teeth come up a while ago?
Yeah.
Yo! Where are the pan crocodile teeth? Yeah.
Alright, come.
The fuck out and then just a cruise.
It was my clotting with that stone. Probably I'll have something get you. Hey, more
Oh, where disappear, guys?
Hey, more supposed to stand there now. Don't walk close.
Where disappear, guys?
Nah, man, you walk faster than me.
No, seriously, where disappear, guys?
I'm more than one there.
One no.
I tell you, I'm more than one crocodile there. Don't walk close to the edge.
Okay, this is we.
How are this?
We survive We see one crocodile.
We saw one crocodile a while ago.
We see one rolling calf.
Yeah, man.
We see Tamara. We see Joe. How coming from far?
Turn back out of the cave.
No, it seems them lost again.
No, Jordan. No. African.
Somebody else lead. Somebody else
I
lead.
think we should run. I think we're in their civilization.
We are going to the world right so
We're in their civilization, man.
We're not in a civilization.
Light wire there right down there.
You don't know what we're going
Bumbo clap. I can't believe that this can happen in a Portmore.
How them are going to take them a take with hostage?
Look so. Yo, Brady, where African them I don't know. Where African them I don't
I've
know.
never seen a white African before.
Alright, so now go ahead and scout out the location.
This is the wild part of Portmore. You're not talk African enough.
Itamuku. Yeah, we
No.
walking.
To the bush.
The tribe leaders are going ahead to check out a safe location. That's crocodile don't eat us.
You go along there, walk. Look on my foot.
Oh Lord.
Dirty.
Look on that. Could they? Oh Lord.
Jesus Christ.
I don't look like I don't come from Africa.
No, look there.
Oh God.
Go on over there, so.
White frog is I shit in my shit.
Go on, what is this, so?
Kill it before it lay eggs.
How am I the shit?
No, I'm going to lie down here.
I suppose a crocodile will embrace.
You're afraid. I would have laughed.
Brendan! Bring back my bag!
Yo,
Crikey.
hold on, yo. If you don't see one black, yo, when you listen to me on this, no, man. If you don't see one black piece of board, do not step on it.
It could be a crocodile.
I wish man back that to dep on.
Look, I am not slowing down.
Oh, God.
Right way.
And that is Reds way over there in the bush. There is Reds. There is Reds in the deep bush. Hold on. Reds, but take each man there. We can't find Tekisha, man. Where's that? And the famous hole is right here. Yes, so everybody jump now. Crab hole. Joe, I gotta lift you up. Joe, get in there, get in there. Get in the game. Give me. Give me, walk on.
Jump over, me can't move. I don't like how that's something they look with that step.
What the fuck? Ninja Maker, that's a what? The bomber? No, sir.
Through the ocean, but Moses is hardly part in the sea.
Why? No, I don't like.
This feels funny at ground.
Yes. We need to go up and find a main road.
Don't like that bush alone and one of
No. Mega use the memory of your Aunt Red, she rests in life.
Life, may I tell you?
Reds bring we in a wilderness. If we survive, we have to thank God. The whole we need for done, Bombo.
Come on.
Some monster crab hole.
Whoa, no,
Then watch my friend go back for Polly far away. We catch up with Moses and him rod. And we're in a woodland with the maca tree.
Found Chanel, I'm here, I'm not lost.
We find Chanel. And we're in a woodland. I see some strange fruit on one tree. The strange fruit look like ackee. Where's that one? This look like ackee.
right here. This is a good spot to camp out.
You know? Blood clot. I mean, hold on. I mean, I post it. Alright, post the camera. Oh, the camera. Alright, post now. See, this is Joe in the wilderness looking oh so sexy. Alright, see it there? Reds, the sexiest man alive.
Whole beach there, you know. But I suppose since we got meet Susan and Elsha might as well.
Hold on, Susan, are they
Go on up.
Alright. And this is we finally reaching the road.
We're not got a real beach now, we're not got a real ocean now.
I know we are going to part the 4L.
Well, all plans get cancelled for later. I give God thanks to reach the road. Thought I would never survive, but we survive. All I would deserve to go to church Sunday.
We survived it.
Civilization. Woo! Oh Lord. See that?
What you care?
Wow. We survived the bush and we're finally up on the road. Civilization. One more time. Me see the sexiest man alive, you know? The man couldn't let me get my moment. I'm glad to see the road. The road of life.
You know, walk on the road none at all, let's try to the best.
Oh shit, those things.
What?
Them sting. Fish ghosts.
Them sting.
Look like duckling. Them look like them pine.
No,
They're such a